Hello there mga kamamshi! Today naman ay magluluto ako ng chicken in oyster sauce. First, ipinirito ko muna ang patatas and then nagisa ako ng sibuyas at bawang. At ngayon naman ay ilalagay ko na yung chicken na minarinate ko sa toyo at calamansi. At alam nyo ba mga kamamshi that chicken and potatoes can be a healthy meal that provides protein, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. In addition to starch, potatoes are rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. Chicken also are providing vitamins and minerals involved in brain function, building muscle, promoting heart health, strengthening bones, and aiding in weight loss. At ayan nga daw po mga kamamshi ang mga health benefits na makukuha natin sa chicken and potatoes. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!